It's me, Zay4Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. Videos have been going fairly slowly at the moment, and I'm considering perhaps slowing down videos to maybe twice a week or something like that. Just so that I can do more in-depth videos, rather than feeling rushed and churning out short videos when I don't have enough material for a long video. It's just something I'm thinking about, because video production takes a little bit of time. It really does. And that's something that I perhaps underestimated when I started. And I started by making lots and lots of shorts because I thought that was the way to go. And as I have progressed over the last 2-3 years, I've realized that short videos are good, but they're not really sufficient. And when I was limited to 1 minute for the videos, that was a real problem, because I very often could not explain everything I wanted to in 1 minute. Because I'm not going to rush through things. I'm going to do things at my own pace, because it's my own channel and I want to do things my way. And I'm pretty sure that my audience, you all want to see me do things my way and see how they're done. And if I try to do things fast or another way, I'll probably end up getting muddled and confused, and things will go a little bit wacky. So anyway, that's one of my thoughts, is that perhaps I should go over to more carefully edited videos that are longer. And I'm not quite sure how to do that, because I'm not really done very much in the way of editing on my videos, to be honest. I tend to shoot them and put them up, and I have edited a few of them, but mostly they're just shot on my phone and then put up 5 minutes later. And that generally seems to work for for most of them. So that's my thought. Maybe cut down to 2 videos a week. What are your thoughts? Give me some ideas in the comments.